Yes. Good evening, everyone. A warm welcome to this webinar. Here we are to discuss CBSE sample paper. CBSE sample paper, there are so many changes this year. And the first change started with the pandemic when we all are sitting at home. And I think in the entire life, this is the first time when entire session is from home. So difficulties have increased. Here we are all together to discuss format of sample paper issued by CBSE, deleted syllabus 2021, important links to download sample papers, answer key, etc. And with this sample answers submitted by the students. Sample answers submitted by the students, answer sheets of there so that you can check how we can present our answer. Presentation is must in CBSE papers. So we'll show you special answer key of students, toppers answer key, so that you will be able to get to know how to present your answers. And with presentation of answers, time management we'll discuss, time management, exam preparation tips with weightage of all 12 units in the paper. And with this, we discuss 3 markers, 4 markers, 6 markers answers presentation, how much time you are spending on your answers, and how you are writing your answers, in which answer you are spending how much time. All management about the answers we discuss, and with this, all important diagrams from NCERT. Diagrams, flow charts are very important in business studies. So we discuss these diagrams. Creativity based questions like if there is a question, draw a label, draw a diagram, then you get stuck. We discuss this type of question. With this, we discuss a special part which require numerical part in business studies. Numerical in business study? Yes, numerical part, chapter 9. When we calculate earning per share, that format I'll provide to you, and ways to prepare best notes, and we introduce our book also, book for sample papers. Now, business studies, we are starting. Business studies, class 12th, business studies 80 plus 20 combination is there. 80 for theory and 20 for practical. Theory paper, same, offline. It will be offline. No online paper. CBSE is conducting offline. And by tomorrow morning, CBSE is announcing date sheet also. So, 80 plus 20, 80 for theory and 20 for practicals. This is the weightage, especially for theory and practical. And now chapter wise weightage will give you in between. You all are in the race of solving question papers, writing your answers, and downloading papers from different websites. We are here to give you solutions. Yes, 12th class, see, this is the sample paper provided by CBSE, sample paper 2020-21. And these are general instructions written on the question paper, only 34 questions, but not only. In previous years, 25 questions were there. Now these are 34. How this number of questions has been increased due to 1 marker? Earlier, only 8 1 markers were there, but now 21 markers, and all are MCQs. All are MCQs, 34 questions in these 34, 21 markers, then 3 markers, 4 markers, 6 markers. We are discussing all these questions, and we analyzed in the entire CBSE paper, CBSE sample paper, which has issued by CBSE in the month of October. We have analyzed that CBSE paper, and this is the conclusion in the CBSE paper 2021 issued by CBSE is chapter 1 from chapter 1 Questions from chapter 1 are question 1, question 3, question 5, question 8, question 9. Here, please observe. And questions from chapter 3 are question 2, question 4, 6. Will it be same in final paper also? No, it will not same. But normally, we read the pattern so that we are aware about CBSE ways and patterns. It will be changed. Any question can be from any chapter, but this is the pattern of sample paper issued by CBSE. All these 20 questions are 1 markers. Here we have written 1 to 20 and 2 internal choices in these 1 markers. 2 internal choices. How internal choices? Look at question number 11. Question number 11 in sample paper from chapter 5, and optional part is also from chapter 5. Chapter 5, organizing chapter, and optional part is also from same chapter. And the very first time, match the column in 1 marker. Very first time, match the column in 1 marker. Here, in previous classes, in junior classes, you do match the column like by joining the lines or by writing A part, second number, C part, first number, B part, third number. But now the pattern is different. Look at the pattern, very easy. Your correct option, you need to choose from the options A, B, C, D. Then you need to give your answer. But one common mistake you always do, if we have given options A, B, C, D, how many of you write it as it is, A, B, C, D? Few of you write Roman numbers 1, 2, 3. Few of you write small a, B, C, D. No. Please follow the pattern. Write questions as exactly as the paper. Do not write question numbers in changed form. If it is written in capital letters and you are answering the question, option should be like this only, A, B, C, D. आप अगर रोमन नंबर में 1, 2, 3 लिख दोगे, it will be wrong. Do write question number clearly and strictly telling with the question paper. Clear? Now discuss about optional part. Optional part can be match the column or any other form. There are 2 internal choices in 1 markers. Internal choices means a question, then another question, and choices from the same chapter. We are discussing 1 markers, and in 1 marker we observe case study. Case study from 1 chapter only. Case study from 1 chapter only, and questions based only on this case study. No passage. Case study is just to tell you about the chapter, just to give you hint about the chapter, and on basis of this chapter there will be 4 1 markers, question number 13 to 16. Question numbering may be changed in CBSE. Do not expect कि same question number will be there. They may ask it is in question number 9 to 13 or 13 to 15, depends. But this is a hint from CBSE कि they can put case study in 1 markers also. Another questions 17 to 20, depending on 1 case study. There will be a paragraph, 1 case study, and on the basis of this case study, 4 1 markers will be there. All are MCQs according to CBSE sample paper. It may be fill up, it may be true false, it may be match the column. Any idea they cannot, but these are 1 markers only. So 1 to 20, 1 markers, 20 minutes, 20 question. Keep it in your mind, save in your mind while you are solving your sample paper. While you are solving your sample papers, practice question papers, 20 questions, 20 minutes. Why you are saving this time? For 6 markers, we discuss it at the last. 20 markers are there, 20 questions, 1 markers we have discussed. Now let's discuss about 3 markers, how we present 3 markers. Here we have attached some answer key of students, topper answer key issued by CBSE. Every year CBSE issue topper's answer key, the student who has scored highest marks. CBSE issue that answer key of the student so that we can see it, we can take ideas from this answer sheet. So I'll provide link to download this answer sheet so that you can download it for other subjects also. Question number 21 to 24, only 4 questions, 4 3 markers, 4 3 markers. And if we read instructions, fourth instruction, answer to the questions carrying 3 marks, and word limit is 50 to 75, and 4 marks word limit is 150 to 200. 4 marks 150 to 200 means marks increase only 1, 3 to 4, but word limit almost double. Utilize minimum of time in 1 markers, then little more in 3 markers. 3 markers only 3 headings plus explanation. Do not write your answer in paragraph, just headings plus explanation. Question number 21 to 24, 3 markers, 3 headings, 3 explanation. 21 to 24, sequence will be same. In your final paper, you will find question number 21 to 24, 3 markers, 3 markers, 4 questions, 3 markers. In finals also, sample paper which we have received from CBSE, question 21 has been taken from chapter 1, and from chapter 10 question number 24 has been taken, which is optional type. Internal choice is there. आप चूज करेंगे कि आपको कौन सा ऑप्शन करना है. Question number 23 is from chapter 8. Chapter 8 is controlling, and from chapter 6 question number 22, chapter 1 question number 21. So 4 questions, 3 markers, maximum 20-25 minutes for these questions. And start this practice now only. Do not try this only in final exams. Now 4 markers. 4 markers, question 1 to 20, 1 markers, 21 to 24, 3 markers, 25 to 30. 25 to 30, how many questions? 6 questions, 6 questions, 4 markers. And this year, what is the change in pattern? No 5 markers. No 5 markers, only 1, 3, 4, 6. 4 markers, only 1 mark has increased, but word limit is double. So spend more time than 3 markers in these questions. Question number 25 has been taken from chapter 6, from chapter 7. Question number 26 and 27 has been taken. Question number 7 is internal choice question. Option from same chapter will be there. It may be from different chapter. It may be like multidisciplinary question. What is multidisciplinary question? Multidisciplinary means we can frame a question, only one question from 2 different chapters. Don't worry about it. Just write what you know, and we have provided sample questions to you also so that you can solve. Question number 28, optional, same internal choice, and 29 from chapter 9, and question 30 from chapter 12, consumer protection. So 6 questions carrying 4 marks each. Last part, 6 markers. Utilize maximum of your efforts here. Maximum of your efforts here, whether you are drawing flow charts, diagrams, cartoon based. At least 1 hour you have to save for this part. At least 1 hour. For 6 marker, question number 31 to 34, just utilize your time here only. Here we as CBSE checkers, when we check papers, we check in a flow. MCQs, yes, we check in a flow, we give marks, 3 markers, we don't try to deduct your marks because we have a strong thought in our mind, yes, okay, we'll deduct in 6 markers, abhi to pura paper pada hai. Put your efforts here only, at least 1 hour should be saved for this part, question number 31 to 34. Pattern of the paper of March 2021. This is uploaded at cbseacademics.in. Link is given above to download your paper. Remembering based question, 44 marks. Remembering and understanding means what you are learning by acronyms, by mnemonics. Learning basis question, 44 marks. And knowledge apply, like case study based question, and situation is given, or source based question is given, a news is given. applying, when you are applying your knowledge, this is carrying 19 marks. And according to analysis, evaluation and creativity based question, 17 marks. This is the criteria issued by CBSE for the exam March 2021. Now, some samples for you. Is this the way to write 1 markers is correct or no? How many of you are saying yes, it is correct? If these are MCQs, options should be on your answer sheet. But this student has not given options. The student has not given options. You must try to write options. This is the compulsion for you if you are writing answers, especially for MCQs. At the top, it is written, choose correct answer. So this is your responsibility to choose correct answer and write it on your answer sheet and strictly according to the question paper. Tally your questions according to question paper. You have to write your options. Question number 1, C part. Question number 2, C part. Parts may be different, but do not forget to write options. And what you have to do if there is shortage of time, if you have started your paper from the last, few of you start your paper from the last, from 6 markers. So when you are facing shortage of time, the best way is to present your answers like this, like question number 10, D part, question number 11, B part. And the best tip to write or part, normally we teachers check papers in a flow. Normally 30 papers we check in a day. At least 30 papers we check in a day, not entire day, normally 6 to 7 hours. So if I'm checking papers in a flow and I'm checking question number 12 B part, question number 12 B part, question number 12 B part, and suddenly I see a paper in which a student has written question number 12 D part, it may be a situation I put cross because it has been saved in my mind. Question number 12 B part, yes, it is my responsibility as a CBSE checker that question number 12 has 2 parts, optional part. But it is your responsibility also to start your answer by writing or part, so that no chance of error is there. This is the most important tip for your answer. Please note it down if you require. There will be 8 internal choices. There will be 8 internal choices if you are solving or part. If you are solving or part, please start solve this part like this only by writing 12 or part and then write your answer. Even it is the question of 1 mark, 3 mark, 4 mark or 6 mark, two internal choices will be there in each type of question. 2 internal choices will be there in 1 markers. 2 internal choices will be there in 3 markers. 2 internal choices will be there in 4 markers. 2 internal choices will be there in 6 markers. Yes, we know if error will be there, you will get your paper rechecked and the error will find out. But why to waste time? Precautions are better than cure. So at precautionary mode, write your answer by writing or part. Now, about deleted syllabus, how much has been deleted? We teachers are always in problem. What has been deleted? What is deleted, and what is the important topics? What we have to cover for the finals, because many of you are must engaged in solving mathematics, accountancy, and you are thinking, yes, business studies is easy, we do it at minimum time or at last few days. Yes, agree, but presentation is must and time management is must for this subject also. Be regular in business studies, and yes, this is the best subject for you to score 100. 80, 85 are common for many of us, but only few of our efforts can push us towards 100. First, is be regular in your practice. And for this regularity, we must aware about the deleted syllabus, chapter 1 and 2. No, nothing has been deleted from these two chapters. Our business studies has two parts, two books, NCERT first part and second part. Read from NCERT. NCERT is the Bible for you. Answer to whenever when you are practicing, read NCERT, and after reading NCERT, solve sample papers. Solve sample papers. This book I'll tell you about this book after at the end of the session. And if you are reading from book NCERT, you are highlighting the points and solving papers from a particular book which we are providing to you, I can assure you to score 100. So nothing has been deleted from chapter 1 and 2, no change, nothing from chapter 3. What is deleted? Business environment, LPG, demonetization, deleted. No need to spend your time on these topics. Already you are aware about these topics. Chapter 4, all 8 types of plan. Yatin, at the end of session, we'll discuss question answer. Please wait. At the end of session, question answer will be there. Just listen, focus on the slides, focus on topics. I'm telling you. And at the last, we take your doubts also. So chapter 4, planning, 8 types of plan, deduct, no in syllabus, single use, standing plan, objective, strategy, everything has been deleted from the syllabus. Chapter 5, organizing, deleted portion is formal and informal organization concept. Concept means difference also. Formal, informal, no need to spend your time on this topic. And chapter 6, staffing. Chapter 6, staffing. Okay, these are deleted topics, but what is important from chapter 1? Chapter 2, everything is important. And you must prepare your written notes. And in chapter 1, focus should be on management functions and coordination. Management functions and coordination is पर आप focus रखना. Chapter 2, Henry Fayol's principle, you are aware. And Taylor's principle and techniques are most important for you. Taylor's principles and techniques. In chapter 3, LPG demonetization is deleted. And the most important topic in chapter 3 is dimensions of business environment, PESTEL. What is PESTEL? Environmental factors, 5 environmental factors, external, which is out of our control. P, political, E, economic, S, social, T, technological, E, ecological, L, legal. This is the important topic in chapter 3. And chapter 4, all 8 types has been deleted. And the most important topic for this chapter is planning process. Planning process. And chapter 5, formal, informal, deleted. And the most important and the topic where we lose our marks. Every year we face this situation where students lose their marks, delegation, decentralization, centralization. If you close your fist, this is centralization. When you keep all parts with you, this is centralization. I-centric. I will do, I will take decision, I will handle the situation. And you open your fist, this is decentralization. When you give power to your subordinates. When you give power to your subordinates, you divide duties, responsibilities. This is decentralization. Revise these topics thoroughly. Prepare your notes and make small sticky notes, paste on the wall near you, your study table, or make separate notebooks. If you are utilizing 1 hour a day, this is enough for this subject, but be regular. Chapter 6, staffing as part of HRM, deleted. And the important topic in this chapter is training, on the job training, off the job training. This is very important because in this year, in this pandemic, so many people have lost their job. So many have moved from one place to another place. They are in searching of jobs. They are trying to earn their living. So many of us are entered into new fields. They are getting trainings. So this is the most important chapter, most important topic from this chapter, staffing. Let's discuss chapter 7. Chapter 7, directing. What is deleted? I put a cross for you. Save it in your mind while you are solving sample papers or preparing your notes. These topics has been deleted. It will be best if you cut these topics from your book also. And now we are telling you in chapter 7, directing barriers to effective communication is deleted. How to overcome the barriers is deleted. And the important topic from this chapter is elements of directing. SMLC. SMLC as supervision and motivation and leadership, the directing supervision, not in syllabus. Motivation, leadership and communication is in our syllabus. Motivation, why motivation is important type? Again, this is related to our current scenario. While we are sitting to write your question paper, we always think about the current scenario, we always think about the current situations the society is facing, and we try to relate our answers with the questions with the current scenario. So motivation is the most important part of this chapter. Motivation, leadership and communication. Chapter 8, controlling. What has been deleted from chapter 8? Relationship between planning and controlling. Planning and controlling, both topics are important, but relationship of these topics is deducted from the syllabus. Some student ask, ma'am, do we have to write the meaning of planning? If I say yes, they say, ma'am, planning is out of syllabus. No, planning is not out of syllabus. Controlling is not out of syllabus. Planning and controlling both are in syllabus, but their relationship is not in syllabus. You have to prepare the part planning, you have to prepare the part controlling. All questions are important, their meaning, their process, their features, functions, everything is important. Planning is important, controlling is important, but their relationship is out of syllabus. Relationship of planning and controlling. Questions like this, planning and controlling are same two sides of a same coin. Two sides of a same coin. Yeah, planning is first step, controlling is last. Prove with help of an example. This is out of syllabus. Planning you have to do, controlling you have to do, relationship is deleted. Clear? This is everything about first part. In chapter 8, controlling की importance बहुत important है. First part we have discussed. Now move on second part. Move on second part, part 2, business studies. First part, weightage, we'll discuss later. Chapter 9, 10, no change, not to worry. Revise your questions, revise your notes, mark, highlight in your NCERT, underline important points, make sticky, small notes, paste on the wall, and be regular. Again and again, I am trying to tell you, be regular in this subject. This is the easiest and scoring subject. Chapter 9, what are important topics? FD, ID, FD, DD. FD, financial decision. Financial decision, 3 parts, 3 components. ID, FD, DD. ID, investment decision. FD, financing decision. DD, dividend decision. Investment decision, financing decision, dividend decision are very important topics of this chapter. And in chapter 10, financial market, money market is the most important chapter. Why? Again, money market related to current scenario. We all are facing problems, money related problems. Banks are facing problems because for almost 5 or 6 months, people have not paid their EMIs, installments. They are facing a shortage of money. So many banks have merged. Allahabad Bank has merged with another bank, and there are so many examples. They are facing money related problems. So money market is the most important chapter, most important topic of chapter 10. Instruments of money market. T, C. T, treasury bills. C, call money, commercial paper, commercial bill, certificate of deposit. Make small acronyms to keep these topics in your mind. Chapter 11, marketing. Marketing, what is deleted from the marketing? Very easiest topic. They have deleted topic, components and channels of distribution. Distribution channels. When producer produced a good and producer is transferring this good from production place to consumption place. This is direct channel and indirect channel. Indirect channel 0 level, 1 level, 2 level. This is deleted from the syllabus now. This physical distribution has been deleted from the syllabus. Now, from chapter 12, what is deleted? Consumer protection importance is deleted. Consumer awareness deleted. Role of NGOs deleted. NGO, non-governmental organization. So these topics has been deleted. Now important tips to write your paper. How you utilize your first 15 minutes. Some of you write answers of MCQs. Ma'am, let me mark MCQs answers. No, this is business studies. We always do plan. We always think before doing. Planning your fourth chapter. We always make a bridge between where we are, where we want to go. To make this bridge, utilize these first 15 minutes. Without planning, how you can fight this battle of solving your answer key 3 hours? Utilize these 15 minutes to make a best plan, to make strategy. Here the best way to use these 15 minutes by checking about internal choices. Which question I'm going to do from these internal choices? I told you there are two internal choices in each type of questions, 2 choices in 1 marker. In these 15 minutes, mark at 1 marker which question I am going to do when I write my paper. And in 3 markers also, read optional question and tick which question I am going to attempt. In 4 markers also, tick which question I am going to write, and same in question number 6. Or any other type, you may use these 15 minutes, but utilize these 15 minutes to make plan only. Planning is the most important part in business. Planning is the part of our syllabus only. Planning. These 15 minutes is to plan everything, to plan your next 3 hours, to make strategy. Do not waste these 15 minutes by marking your MCQs, please. Now, present your answers with help illustration like charts, graphs and cartoons, and use this strategy only in 6 markers. No need to apply this strategy in 3 markers. Differentiate. Difference should be in tabular form, even it is 1 mark question. Even it is 1 mark question, because normally if it is 1 mark question, we think don't worry, only this is the question of 1 mark only, we can write it in paragraph, we can write it like this. No, according to CBSE marking scheme, 0 if you have not draw a table for differentiate. If it is written difference, differentiate, difference between, make a table with proper headings, table with headings like there is a difference between planning and organizing. Give that in planning, organizing. If it is 1 mark question, give 1 point only. If it is 3 mark question, give 3 points. 4 marks, 4 points. With heading basis like meaning, example, or any other way how you are presenting. But difference and difference between should be in tabular form. Flow charts you may use, and to write the process, like to write the staffing process, planning process, controlling process, how we can present our answers by flow charts. I have added that slide also. And write impersonally. Do not use I word in the paper. You may write like this: yes, this statement is correct, or this statement is not correct. In other words, like if there is a question in the paper, there is a question, do you agree? If you start this line like this, I agree, I do not agree, this is not the correct way. Try to write this statement is correct or this statement is not correct, and then give explanation. You will find these sample questions in our book Score Plus, published by Goel Brothers. I'll tell you about this book also. And now, these are the question types. 1 markers, we have discussed 20 questions. 3 markers, 4 questions. Two internal choices. And about these internal choices, you are planning in first 15 minutes. 4 markers, 6 questions, 6 markers, 4 questions. In your paper, you will find total 42 questions. Total 42 questions. And how many? We need to attempt only 34. With our proper strategy, with times, this expected time I have mentioned for you, but you try to save maximum time for 6 markers by solving your sample papers. Sample papers help you to make your plan better. Weightage of all 12 units, unit 1, 2, 3, 16 marks, unit 4 and 5, planning, organizing, 14 marks, staffing, directing and controlling, 20 marks, part 2, NCERT part 2, total 30 marks, 15 marks for chapter 9 and 10, nothing has been deleted from chapter 9 and 10, and chapter 11 and chapter 12, marketing and consumer protection for 15 marks. This is the weightage. 80 marks theory and 20 marks practical. And how you are presenting your 3 marks, no need to waste your time, because this is only 50 to 75. But do not write this answer in paragraph. Write headings plus explanation. Write headings plus explanation. 3 marks, 3 points. With headings plus explanation, how you can present your answer. This is the presentation for 4 marks. 3 markers, heading plus explanation enough. 4 markers, if you want to present, you may present your 4 points like this. This is the best answer key provided by CBSE. We have taken screenshot from those answer sheet for you, so that you may see these samples. And now, how you are writing your heading. Few of you start explanation from the same line, but do not follow that habit. Try to leave 1 line blank before heading and 1 line blank after heading. Then start your explanation. Explanation maximum 3 to 4 lines. Maximum 3 to 4 lines. Do not waste your time in explaining more and more. Yes, I know you are aware about the answer. You may write 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages, but no, it will not help us. Only maximum 3-4 line explanation with proper heading. Leave 1 line blank before heading and 1 line blank after heading. And this is the sample for you. Explanation. These are some important diagrams, flow charts taken from NCERT. Diagram for management, multidimensional, and managerial levels, fuel, scalar chain. Why have I added these diagrams for you? Because if you see the question related to scalar chain in 4 marks, in freehand draw scalar chain and move on writing your answer. If you are writing the answer about levels of management, with freehand draw a diagram and label it. Do not forget to label it. Just draw a triangle or just draw a fuel scalar chain pointers is not enough. Do not forget to label it. These diagrams you must use in your paper if question related to these diagrams or flow charts you are solving, but not in 3 marks. Not required in 3 marks, 4 or 6 markers. Important diagrams, flow charts from your book, from chapter 8, communication process, marketing communication, and from chapter 12 about 3-tier system, district forum, state forum, national forum, and from chapter 10 about the market, money market and capital market. And these are some creativity based questions. Till now you have never faced these type of questions, but we expect this year, we are expecting CBSE may ask this type of question. If I ask you to draw a label for shampoo bottle which you are using, will you able to draw? Yes? Yes, we will be able to draw, because we know here it is written 2 labels are there, front label and back label, expiry date, manufacturing date, how to use, directions to use, price, and ingredients used. But we don't know which ingredients have been used in shampoo. Don't worry, put dash 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 dash. This is not our part of syllabus, but we are aware about the label, and this is the diagram I have taken from the book only. They have explained us about the promotion techniques. This is the part of chapter 11. Not to worry about this. This is chapter 11, marketing. Marketing from your book. I have taken these slides for you, and now this is the presentation of 6 markers. If there is a planning process in 6 mark, use flowchart to present this answer, and use one entire sheet, one complete sheet to draw diagram, and then start your explanation from next page. One complete sheet for the diagram and explanation from the next sheet. Do not start your answer, your new answer, from last few lines. Leave the space blank. Teacher will use this space to give you marks or to check, but start new answer from new page if it is 3 marker, 4 marker or 6 marker. 20 questions, 1 markers. Yes, you write these answers on 1 or 2 sheets, but for 3, 4, 6 markers, start your answer from a new page. So this is the explanation of same pattern. Leave 1 line blank before heading, 1 line blank after heading, maximum 3-4 line explanation related to the question, and relate your explanation to the question only. If this is case study question, use few lines from case study also. This is the another sample from answer sheet issued by CBSE. Here you may use cartoons to write examples, or any other form. You may use diagrams, flow charts, cartoons to express your words or examples asked in question, or to write any other queries. These are some another ideas to write your answers, to draw flow chart, diagram, cartoon, or to present your answers. And here we have tried to give in how you prepare your notes, because if you start preparation, you require your own notes. Your own handwriting is best for you. Be confident about your exams. You must start solving so many sample papers, but directly jump on sample papers is the best way. No. Start from starting, read from NCERT, write your own notes, then solve sample papers step by step. Even you are starting from zero level. Even you are starting from first chapter, and some of you are saying, ma'am, मैंने तो अभी तक पढ़ाई नहीं शुरू करी, मैम मुझे तो अभी कुछ भी नहीं पता. Don't worry. Start from first chapter from NCERT, read the chapter, prepare your own notes, like you may write all features, all characteristics of all chapters, or process, and then write your notes, then solve your papers, and last step, get your papers checked from your teachers. Teachers, please check your paper, check your students' paper, so that we deduct marks here only. जितने भी marks deduct करने हैं, we deduct those marks here only, and we need to explain our students कि present your paper like this, and you will score 100 in finals, maximum of yours. So features we may write like this: process, all process, planning process, organizing process, staffing process, directing process, controlling process, financial market, online trading process. Here we are aware, yes, these types of process I have to keep in our mind, and I will use flow charts to show these process. Then functions of management functions, top level function, middle level, lower level, and in financial market function, stock exchange function, and SEBI. What is SEBI? Securities Exchange Board of India. Marketing, packaging functions, and functions of labeling. Why we need to label the shampoo bottle? What is the function of that? And importance from chapter 1, principles, planning, organizing, staffing, directing, communication, controlling, all importance. This is numerical part. I'll take only 2 minutes to explain this numerical part. Only 2 minutes for numerical part. This is the most difficult topic for you, but this is the most easiest and most scoring. If there will be internal choice in this numerical and theory part, opt for numerical, but practice it well practice in advance. Numerical formulas you require from this chapter are ICR, interest coverage ratio, DSCR, debt service coverage ratio. Write these formulas, and this is the format for numerical. Start from the heading, make two columns, two separate columns. EBIT, earning before interest and tax. Deduct interest, interest on debt जो आपने लोन लिया है उधार, and after deducting interest from EBIT, EBT will be there. Earning before tax. Now deduct tax is given in the question, how much tax, and then you get earning after tax, EAT. Earning after tax will be there, and divide number of share by earning after tax divided by number of shares, and we'll get EPS, earning per share. This is your answer. Simple. EBIT minus interest minus tax, आपके पास आ जाएगा EAT, earning after tax, divided by number of shares. How we calculate number of shares? By dividing total equity share capital by amount per share. If it is given in the paper, good. Otherwise, assume it rupees 10 per share. And EAT divide by number of share, EPS, earning per share is your answer. So this is the best part of your paper, numerical part. And now important links to download your papers, model answer 18-19, you may download it from here. Link to download your NCERT part 1. I know many of you have not bought your book also. You may download it from CBSE ncert.nic.in. This is the link for to download part 2, and link to reach subject expert, link to reach me is given there. You may consult if you are facing any queries, any problem. And now what is new in CBSE sample paper? Short case studies. Case studies are not too long as previous years. Case studies are short and crisp, and 30% reduced syllabus we have observed. Now paper is not divided in different sections. Earlier it was written section A, B, C, D, E. Now it is not mentioned. Answers of each question have written in front of questions only. Yes, we are aware question number 1 to 20 is 1 markers. Question number 21 to 24, 3 markers. Question number 25 to 30, 4 markers. 31 to 34, 6 markers. Yes, we are aware. But proper section A, B, C, D is not written here. And now total 34 questions instead of 24 earlier, instead of 25, earlier 25 questions were there. And no 5 mark question in place 4 and 6 markers has been increased. One common case study for 4 different 1 markers, which we have observed in question number 13 to 16 and question number 17 to 20. Different sets, and match the column in 1 markers. First time we have observed. Now I am pleased to inform you about Goel Brothers Prakashan has released this book, Score Plus. And in this book, we, the subject experts, 10 subject experts has written this book. 10 different solved papers and 10 different unsolved papers. In starting of the book, one paper is issued by CBSE in the month of October 2020. Latest CBSE sample paper, then 10 solved paper written by subject experts from various renowned schools, and very experienced teachers, very experienced faculty from CBSE team also, so that just utilize your energy in writing answers, not to search or downloading your paper from different website, then cut the syllabus, 30% reduce syllabus. Because normally what we suggest our student, solve last 10 years paper. Solve last 10 year paper. If you are downloading last 10 years paper, another task is increased to deduct the syllabus which has been reduced by CBSE. Here we are providing solution of it. We are there to make strategies to plan for you. You just spend your energy in writing your answers and getting your papers checked from your teachers. Teachers, this is my personal request. Please suggest this book to your students so that they can save their energy in writing their papers only, not in downloading papers from different websites and cutting the syllabus which has been reduced, which is not in syllabus. Sometimes they get stuck in, oh my god, ये क्वेश्चन तो मैम ने कराया ही नहीं, वो भूल जाते हैं कि हमारे सिलेबस में नहीं. So kindly suggest this book to your students. You may download it, and ebook also available. Any other query, any other questions, if you want to ask, you are welcome to ask your questions. Students, yes, we know you are preparing hard, you are solving papers, and according to marks distribution, you are utilizing in your energy in writing papers. If you are facing any difficulty, any problem, if you want to ask any question, let me check question answer session. There are few questions. Functions and all. Don't worry about the functions importance. Yes, this PPT will be uploaded on our channel. Sir will tell you. Jitin sir, please tell students that this PPT and this session will be uploaded.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. And students, I am checking your questions.
Sending the free ebook to all the. Ma'am, can you?
Sir, someone is asked, this sample paper is available in market. Yes, this sample
Yes,
paper
it is available, ma'am.
Yes, this is available.
Ma'am, we'll be sharing. Yeah, we will be sharing free copy with everyone.
Yes.
And I have shared the link also. They can recommend, and teachers can recommend it to their students, the book where they can purchase online.
Yes, sir.
Right, ma'am.
Someone
Thank
has
you
asked.
once again, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Only one question is in my front. Someone has asked about the compensation for district and commission. This is given in chapter 12. Read the notes properly. Read NCERT. Download it. Link we have given to you. Don't worry. Not to worry. Don't get confused. Study marketing chapter. Marketing chapter is the easiest chapter. Prepare notes. This is the best tip for you. Read NCERT, prepare your notes and solve sample papers which we are providing to you. In entrepreneurship, no. Someone is asked entrepreneurship development is in syllabus. No, it is not in syllabus. Since last 6 years, CBSE has not updated the book. Don't worry, download this book, new book. Download this new book. And any other query? Bombay Stock Exchange is in syllabus? No. Miss, how to remember all the points? Don't worry, this session will be uploaded. State board also revised. Please check about deleted syllabus. Not
Right,
able to download. You will. Okay, sir.
Thank you, we'll end the webinar now. And
Yes,
this
sir.
PPT and webinar link will be shared on the mail by tomorrow, along with the free copy for all the participants. Right, ma'am? Thank
Yes,
you
sir.
once again.
Thank you,
For such
everyone.
an
It was a
informative
pleasure
session.
being with you.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.